Before the sun, we ride south. The air bites at -30. Fingers and toes brittle with frost. We push harder than we should, chasing warmth that slowly comes. Food and water forgotten. The body endures, the mind quiets. Then the day softens. Light spills over the peaks, cold retreating, spirits lifting. 5 friends, mountains stretching around us, eating side by side in a busy kitchen. Steam rising, hands thawing. Tomorrow we rise again. A cold morning, but warmth comes swiftly, settling in for the day. Long climbs, steady breath. Legs burn, but we endure. At the summit, we meet travelers, each on their own path. The descent calls, fast, free, but a tire falters. Hands fumbling in the sun. Repaired, we fly again. Lake Louise, waiting. Steam rises, a hot water on tired skin, a meal, laughter. The day softens into night. Tomorrow, we ride again. We wake, we eat, we chug our coffee. 3 days in, our legs no longer protest. A slow start, 10 hours of sleep, dreams shared in a room of quiet breath. Bakery stop, warm treats, dark coffee, then the climb, long and steady. Clouds swallow the sun, then release it, gold light spilling at Bow Lake's edge. From the summit, we let go, gravity pull us down like a river. The North Saskatchewan glides past, then a final push to Rampart's door. Strong legs, full spirits.
Frozen air whispers, tires carve lines in the white. Laughter warms the trail. High pass, endless sky. We climb where silence lingers, then fall with the wind. Once mere strangers, now woven like tracks in the snow. Winter gave us this.